Every day by day I just dey celebrate oh. Everything I do we just dey penetrate oh.
Good morning guys, I hope you guys are okay. I hope everything is well with you and your family. So I'm using this opportunity. So guys, my name is VICK, or you can call me Lady VICK, you understand? So any partner to this channel, you understand, because this channel is for you and I, you understand? So please you guys know the video you're about to watch now is all about R. Kelly, the big time American star. You understand? Everybody know R. Kelly is a very big an icon, you understand? So R. Kelly putting himself into this mess, I don't know. This is a breaking news today. This is part 2 about the story of R. Kelly. So I would like you guys to pay attentively and use your eye to watch. Please, if you are new to this channel, subscribe, like and share. Put your comments down below. Thank you.
So a status conference will be held today in Brooklyn federal court. It's in the case against disgraced R&B star R. Kelly. The singer is now facing charges that include racketeering, kidnapping, forced labor, and sexual exploitation of a child. This is in addition to other federal and state charges filed against Kelly in Chicago and Minneapolis. Kelly will not attend today's hearing in Brooklyn. He is currently being held in Chicago's Metropolitan Correctional Center.
R. Kelly's attorney making another push to get released from jail while he awaits trial on criminal charges in several states. In a court filing in New York, Attorney General Steve Greenberg says Kelly is dealing with stifling condition. His attorney says he's dealing with stifling conditions behind bars while suffering from several untreated medical problems, including anxiety and a hernia. The filing also says Kelly's visits with 2 live-in girlfriends are severely restricted, and other friends and contacts are not allowed to visit at all.
All right.
All right, and the record will indicate Mr. Kelly's present in the courtroom. Before we start, I just wanted to increase Mr. Kelly's bond. The state filed their motion. The defense filed a response to the motion.
So I want to make the court aware that the defendant has now been charged with sex charges, multiple additional sex counts in all these jurisdictions, and that should affect what the actual bond is being set in this case.
The mere fact that someone may have been charged with other cases in other jurisdiction is not a basis to increase bond. It's not a basis under the statute. It's not a basis under the case law. They don't argue that he's an increased flight risk. They don't argue that he's an increased danger.
Say that the defendant does have additional charges, and that absolutely is appropriate to bring before this court to ask that his bond be increased. He does have additional charges.
Based upon the fact that there's 4 cases, there's $250,000 D bond on each one of the cases, plus pretrial services, which I thought was appropriate based upon the information that I had regarding Mr. Kelly. I still believe that's true. That being said, I'm going to deny the motion at this particular point in time. If there's a change in circumstances and he is somehow released from custody and you want to bring it back before me, I'll take a look at it then. Okay. Which means that he would be held no bond. Mr. Greenberg, you want me to waive Mr. Kelly's appearance?
Please.
All right. Appearance on December 4th, and then we'll...
I would point out, Judge, if we are successful in getting...
Thank you, Judge.
All right, court's in recess.